Okay.
Hi,
So you wake up too
can
early
you hear
and
me?
say, I sleep
Very
too
good
early.
morning to everybody. Just wanted to introduce ourselves. My name is Anurag Gupta. I'm one of the co-founders of Zorang. And here I have my colleague Sumit Kapoor. He's also co-founder at Zorang. Zorang is a content and commerce company, and we just present what we do. Um, what is digital shelf? So basically, we actually go for shopping, and you're going to Walmart or going to Costco. One of the experiences we make about the brand is how they are actually stocking the products on their shelves. Now, translate that experience to the digital world, how you are actually bringing the products online, how the products are showing on your website, if you are selling through multiple channels, through Amazon, through Walmart, how your products are showing up. That's how users are experiencing your brand. So that's digital shelf. Now, why is product content important? 81% of shoppers actually say that they research the product online before making a purchase. Whether they are making online purchase, whether they are making offline purchase, they start with researching the product online. Storytelling is very important. So the way you write the descriptions about the product, it's basically storytelling that increases the brand value by about 2,000%. About 87% of the customers say product content is the most important factor when deciding to purchase an item. And if they don't feel the product descriptions are accurate, they're not going to buy from that brand. So product content is, creating a product content is a complex process. It takes an army. Whether you are a big brand, Fortune 100 company, whether you're a small company, the problem is same. The companies are usually behind creating the product content. There are not enough people to create the product content. If there are multiple people, there are different writing styles. So how do you bring consistency? How do you bring that storytelling to your brand? SEO is also again another factor. So basically, everybody is always targeting new and new trending keywords. Now, what usually happens is once you have a description, nobody really goes ahead and keeps on changing the description every couple of months. So SEO is important. You need to target the important keywords, bring it into product description. Then bring it, amplify that with channels. If you're selling through multiple channels, every channel has different requirements for the content. Multiplied by demographics, multiplied by regions. It's a complex process of writing a product description. It's increasing, content is increasing, it's messy. The other thing is if you are a retailer where suppliers or manufacturers sending you product feeds, they are usually inconsistent, they are inaccurate, they send you data in CSV files, so it's very difficult to ingest that data and work with that.
So, generative AI has actually enabled us to automate a lot of this process. It was not feasible before this. A lot of companies had manual marketers trying to curate their product digital shelf. And it was just not feasible for them to curate thousands of products that are there. So they would let those products trade in the shelf and then create these bad user experiences that I was talking about. So what we have done is we have actually they created a platform which combines the capabilities of large language models with ChatGPT to create compelling brand experiences through content. So we are creating compelling brand experiences through content and rich content. We also allow you to create targeted content. So now you can create content by the demographic you are actually selling to. So it could be a shoe that you're selling to a mountaineer or a skier or just to a casual hiker. And now you can target those folks. You can enrich the content with SEO keywords so that it is search engines can find it. So, and then also categorize the content. One of the challenges of customers is to find the content on your e-commerce store. Majority of the sales are lost because they move away because they cannot find the content in the right category. Same content can be or same product can be categorized in multiple different categories. So, and everyone if you are doing it manually, it is a challenge because it is up to the person categorizing the product, the product calls. So we are trying to automate that process as well. So we automatically categorize the product and classify it into the right categories so that it's consistent. We're also doing native integrations with the product information management system, product experience management systems, e-commerce, other platforms, so that from a marketer's point of view, they don't even have to get out of that system to enrich the content. And we're minimizing hallucinations and while preserving brand sentiment, which is very, very important. And we're doing all of this at scale and automated. This is a typical flow. You can ingest content from multiple different sources. It could be just a spreadsheet, and then you enrich the content, and then we also encourage you to have a manual workflow step where you review the content before you publish it over to your e-commerce storefront. Or you push it through multiple different channels. It could be through Walmart.com, it could be Amazon.com, or any other eBay and other channels as well. This is a case study for one of our customers that just went live in a couple of weeks. They're an automotive manufacturer. They have thousands of products on their storefront. Each of those products fits multiple different cars. They make automotive mirrors. Each of their mirrors fits multiple different car models. And they were able to go live within 2 weeks with 4,500 products on their digital shelf. It was absolutely impossible to do that if they were doing it manually. And we were able to automate the whole process. This is a quote that our customer gave, Ollie, describes that the fact that they couldn't have done it ever. Like the descriptions that the product created were very human, readable, and you can associate, like humans can associate with it. So that's very important. Dad, I can show you a demo now. So this is a demo.
Suggested that you should organize your services into separate categories.
This is Solcify, ContentHubGPT, and an e-commerce system. In this case, we have a Shopify store we've set up. So we have a little hardware store here, and you can see some of the products have full descriptive information, while others are lacking information, like this wise key. So you have no content here. So what we want to do is we want to show how we can generate content for the wise PM straight from within Solcify using ContentHubGPT. So here's that camera again. In Solcify, you can see we don't have any description of feature bullets. And what we're going to do is we're going to add it to a workflow. That is how we are integrated with Solcify through workflows. And we just pick our workflow, say add. Okay. And with view tasks. Okay, let me refresh the task list. And we see it's done. So what it's done is we took the product information, we detected what was missing, so in this case it didn't have bullets, it didn't have description, and we passed the product brand and name along with the booleans to tell it what to do to our endpoint. And as you can see, it's generating some nice content here. This all looks very good. I actually have one of these cams at home. It knows it's waterproof, it knows it has night vision, it knows it has AI-powered detection, so this all looks very good. You can see that it's filled in the feature bullets and the description. Okay, so now I need to sync that back up to my Shopify website, so go to channels. I'm going to pick our Shopify channel and say publish. Now if I go back to my store and I look at that wise cam again, you can see it's filled in all the information that we generated. Now, something like 85% of companies still don't use it now. They do most of their product maintenance through spreadsheets. And we wanted to make our ContentHubGPT product available to them as well. As a result, we created a standalone version. Let me log in, I'll show you how it works. Okay, very very simple interface. Just runs some spreadsheets. You can download a sample file here. Got some demo products set up. You can see we've got WiseCam, again, no keywords, no product description, no feature bullets. We've got a Sennheiser headphones, no keywords, no written description or bullets, and this is a new product. Beauty shade, I made up the brand, beauty shade checking sunglasses. In this case, I gave you some keyword hits to use when it generates content. Also, we have an example of a balanced yoga ball. It has no keywords, it does have a description, but it lacks feature words. And so ContentGPT will be able to fill in the blanks and generate missing information. So how do we get it? Very simple. Browse file, pick demo products, say continue, and on this screen we select what enhancements we want to do with the content. In this case, I know I want content generation because I have no content at all. I want to enhance it with my SEO keywords. This could be a list of up to 125 keywords that you want to feature in your website. So it's going to look through the list of keywords, pick the ones that relate to certain products, and then integrate those into the content. So, for instance, you're not going to see lens incorporated into the description for, say, the Sennheiser headphones, but you may see it integrated into the camera description. Lastly, we're going to assign taxonomy. And what I have here is we have a little taxonomy file, show that. And you can see this is just a very simple taxonomy, but some taxonomies are, very, very long. Hundreds and hundreds of categories that can take a long time to browse through and assign. ContentHubGPT is very good at assigning those automatically, saving you a lot of time. So I've already got that uploaded here, so all I have to do is say generate. Okay, it's done generating. I'm going to go ahead and download. Let's open that. Okay, you can see what it's done is it's created product descriptions for all the products. It's filled in on the balance ball, it's filled in the missing feature bullets on these beauty shade sunglasses here. It's gone ahead and incorporated some of the keywords that I had and generally, wrote some really nice descriptions to help sell these glasses. Also, you can see on all three products, it's assigned them to taxonomy nodes. So the security camera, the Wise camera ended up in electronic security cameras, that's correct. The headphones went into electronics headphones wired, that's correct. The sunglasses went into sports accessory sunglasses, and the yoga ball kit went into sports and yoga. So all accurate, very nice descriptions, and you could just upload this right back into your website to update your products at a very fast process. Okay, so the last feature I want to talk about in ContentHubGPT is the ability to do image recognition. Much like we upload a product spreadsheet, we can upload an image spreadsheet, which is an example. We have an ID, an item identifier, which is just the name of the product, and then an image URL. And so what the AI is going to do is it's going to go out, fetch those images, analyze them, from that generate product descriptions and product bullets. An example of that result looks like this. You can see we've got, here's the original image descriptor, the image URL. It then generates a list of labels. So what does it recognize in that image? What text does it recognize in that image? And then it combines that data to generate item descriptions and feature bullets for each item. This works really well. As you can see, it's filled in all the products very easily. And so for people that have a high volume of products that are incoming, where you're not getting descriptions from the manufacturer, in this demo, I want to show the integration between.
Thanks for your time, and if you have any questions, we are right over here in Startup Alley, booth number 423. Please stop by. Thank you.
Thank you.